Okay. All right. See, the important thing I want to convey about public speaking is it's an evolving thing. We are just the tip of iceberg. As we keep on improving, you will get the things done. I will be sharing my slide deck with you. This is very basic, very apt, and this is a good start for all of us to start to gain that momentum in our life. Okay, practice is the name of the game. Improve your language, improve your vocabulary, gain deep understanding of the topic, and then work with the nitty-gritties in terms of the body language, eye contact, and understanding the audience, doing the research that you want to do. Once you start to get the things done, this will come to you automatically. And I also want to impress about that 500 hours rule and formula. So all I want to tell you this, for next 6 months, give 3 hours of your daily time, and I know this is a big time, to improve yourself professionally. Okay, pick a topic or pick a field of your choice, spend 3 hours every day on that topic. Within a month itself, you will start to see that you are going to the next level and then next level. This will be a big impact, and I tell you, only the top people, they get the best amount of the resources and time. Okay, and I want to tell you one thing: if you become an industry leader in your own field, and if you are a good communicator as well, you have highest amount of revenue that you can generate. Or rather, I could put this way: without becoming a good public speaker, there is no way you can dominate your field. No way, absolutely no way. This is such an important aspect, such a basic, such a, I would say, it's most important aspect to get the best out of this whole world. Okay. So without taking any more time, I just like to say thank you to each and every one of you. I know some of you are forced to speak, and that was intentional because the idea is to give you that flavor about the things. And I really want to take that moment to thank all of you. And any inputs from Neeta, you, anything?
I hope everyone might enjoy the session because there was a lot of energy till last. Everyone is joining means of course they are engaged, and that's why, so it's a feedback of your session, so I don't need to say anything. So I really thankful to you because at the last moment today itself we interacted, and today itself you have taken this and you have come up with a wonderful session. So I'm very thankful to you, I'm grateful to you, and it was really very interactive and very informative session. I really want to appreciate your efforts. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much to everyone. Guys, I will be sharing my slide deck with uh, with Anita ma'am shortly. And if you have a moment, go to my website or like my channel. It's anandmunshi.com. I don't know if I can share that link here. So that will be a big way where we can be in touch. If you have any question, pass it through Nita ma'am and we will be in touch. Thank you once again. God bless you all, and my best wishes for the meaningful life. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Just I will take 1 minute. I really want to appreciate all my TTC students, especially everyone, Veena, Priyanka, every one of you done a really fantastic job because they seems to be very shy, and I was telling Mr. Anand sir, मुझे नहीं पता वो बात कर पाएंगे या नहीं, इसलिए मैंने आपको बोला. But you really, all of you done a really fantastic job. So I really proud of you all, and every one of you other than my TTC students, all the other students, you were fantastic, fabulous, and you really deserve appreciation. So thank you so much for being with us, and thank you for joining. So should we conclude?
Look,
any input from your side? Yes.
Yes. Sorry, I just pasted my YouTube link. It's my channel. So it's a request. If you go there, if you like that page, I will feel very happy. मेरा 50 ग्राम खून बढ़ जाएगा. That's how. Thank you very much.
So should we conclude then?
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Anyone want to say anything?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
sir.
much, Nita ma'am.
Thank
And
you.
Anand sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Chalo
ma'am.
then.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank
Take
you.
care.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Sharmi, you are a part of our program, or from where? Like
No.
II3, from II3 team you are, or you are a part of our program, any of our program?
No, I have been part of Learn Conclave, but I got this from my sister, Urmila Mitra Chandi. She is a trainer. So
Okay,
she's
okay.
based in Bangalore.
Okay, that I was
She
wondering.
sent me this, but I have been part of Learning Conclave and many other such groups. So it could have been from any of them that she got. Some of them are common groups and some are not. So I don't know
Okay.
from which group I've got them, because I have been with Mr. Sanjeev Agarwal also. There's another person who's into public speaking. I've been attending his classes. So
Okay.
maybe through that.
Okay,
There's
she
Mr.
must be in
Chitlangya.
our, because it was for our core groups, no? So she must be part of any of our community, maybe our paid member, or maybe from Iron Lady. So I don't know, but nice to see you here and be connected. It will be very nice to
What
have
is
you
it?
with us. Yeah.
Yeah. So what is the name of the institute? Are you associated with some
Nita
institute?
Training and Consulting Services is our company, and III3 we are having community of trainers. So III3 is International Association of Industry Institute Interface, wherein we are having a community of trainers, coaches, mentors together. So maybe she might be the member of III3, and that's how she might have connected with you. So
She's a lecturer in IIHT, Indian Institute of Hotel Management and Presidency College in Bangalore. So
Okay.
maybe through that she has got some reference. I got.
Okay, okay. And Malti ji,
I'll find out. I'll find out.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. या मालती पाटिल जी, आप शायद होमिफिकेशन का पार्ट नहीं हो, आप प्रोडक्टिविटी का पार्ट हो, इसलिए आपको कुछ मिस हुआ होगा. तो डोंट वरी, आई विल गिव यू एवरीथिंग. Okay, even though you might have lose everything, I will give you everything. So thank you so much. Good night. Bye bye. Thank you.
Good night. Bye.
Yeah.